Your crisps are so unusual.
Dehydrated sprout and carrot crackers. So I guess one of the beauties of sprouts is that whole biogenic aspect, is that they're living food. And so the idea of dehydrating rather than baking, although you can still bake them.
It's lighter than a wafer, and it has this taste where I can taste almost every component of the ingredient that you have used. Tell me about the dip.
That's a sprouted hummus. So we do the same recipe as a authentic hummus, except instead of cooking the chickpeas, we just sprout them. We let them sprout for 2 or 3 days. It brings out all the life forces. They start to come alive. And then we just blend it up and we mix it with tahini, a little bit of cumin, some water, some lemon juice.
I think that's the magic when you have good food, good ingredients, that you can use them in so many different ways of your life, isn't it?